Alright, so what we got over here is a clapped out old Troy-Bilt chipper shredder, and this motor needs a carb and gas cap's missing. The motor's kind of clapped out, so we're going to swap it out for the $99 Predator. So let's show you how easy it is to unbolt this and bolt in a Predator and be on your way. Alright, we start by taking these bolts off of the top bracket here, and we take these bolts on the side here, both sides. Then we can take this whole assembly with the motor off of the front, and that's where we can access the shaft and remove the belt and coupler. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, with those bolts out of the way, you can see how easily that came off, comes off as one whole assembly. I have it resting on the bench right here. So now I can access all of the pulleys, the belt, remove all that, and transfer that to the new engine. Alright, got the pulley off the old motor, pull the plate assembly off, just drop it on the new motor. Same bolt pattern for the accessory drive, and the only difference is this motor has a 3/4 inch shaft versus the other motor that had a 1 inch shaft, so I'm just going to throw a different pulley on there. This had a taper lock pulley anyway that had a taper bushing, so I'll just get either another pulley or another taper bushing to put on the 3/4 inch shaft, and then we can just bolt it back up to the shredder and we're done. So you get the pulley, take it from there. Alright, all bolted back up, just 2 bolts on the side here, 2 bolts on the other side, and good to go. If you look down to the top, just a belt over the new pulley to the bottom pulley. The clutch engages the belt, clutch lever on the side. That's it. Motor's free to turn. And engage the belt. Start chipping wood. Good as new. That simple. 99 bucks. Predator, 6.5 horsepower. Can't beat it. So just put gas in it. Gotta make sure the choke is on. Start. Make sure the fuel is on. The engine is stone cold. We have a hand on the exhaust right here. Flip the switch on. Make sure the clutch is not engaged. And away we go.